How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the problem right here is whenever you open TikTok, you will not see this inbox option or the DM option. So what happens is that sometimes your TikTok update is not to the latest version, so you might face this problem. Sometimes it might be some bugs or some issues from the TikTok's sites itself. So simply search for TikTok on your Apple Store and then simply tap on the update button on TikTok. So after you update, your bugs and issues will get fixed, and yeah, you should have the TikTok DM button. But if it still does not work, long press on TikTok and you'll see the clear cache option. Simply clear your TikTok's cache and then you're basically good to go. Again, if that does not work, head over to your settings, head over to general. Under general, head over to iPhone storage and then search for TikTok. After you find TikTok, open it up and then offload the app. After you offload the app, you're basically good to go. And yeah, that is how you can fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.